Jumbo everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Atieno. If you're new here, I'm most welcome. Today I'm super excited to share with you my second trip to Kenya, a country that stole my heart the first time round. Unfortunately, I lost all my videos from the first trip, but that is not going to stop me from sharing my love for this beautiful, amazing country and its people. So let's get started on this epic bus journey. I hope you enjoyed this video. 5:43, I think you can see, guys. So I'm waiting for my bus and we go. It's going to be a 16 hours journey from Kampala to Nairobi. It's 16, around 16 here, 16 or 17 hours. It depends on our traffic. Yeah, but let's enjoy the bus journey. We enjoy the scenery. Guys, before we set off, I want to share with you why I'm so excited to be going back to Kenya. The first time round, I was blown away by the hospitality and warmth of the Kenyan people. They welcomed us with open arms. And I felt like I was part of the family. I'm so eager to experience that again and share it with you all. So guys, this is the VIP. This is how VIP people sit. You can sleep. And we, the low budgets, we sit from here. We sit here. And my seat is number 13. So here. Yeah, this is how it looks, guys. I'm telling you guys, this is a very low budget trip. Low budget. Guys, we are finally in Kenya. This part is called Kisumu, and right now the time is 6:25 a.m. and we still have like 9 hours to reach Nairobi. We already left Uganda. I slept. You guys, I woke up when we are at the border, at the immigration. And to tell you what, guys, the bus journey is always an adventure, and I'm loving every minute of it. The scenery is breathtaking and the people are so friendly. I've been chatting with my fellow passengers, guys, from Uganda. Up now we are jazzing. You know, my neighbor next to me is a Kenyan, but yes, I'm learning about their lives and sharing my own stories. So guys, it's a fun experience so far. Guys, right now we're going to get some food, and I don't know why we have so many stopovers, because I'm so tired. They told us we will reach in Nairobi at 10:30, but right now it's 11:30 and we are still in Nakuru. Nakuru is like 3 hours drive to Nairobi. Guys, we have just arrived in Nairobi. As you can see, the mall, as you can see, this is Nairobi. And guys, I'll tell you the full story of this low budget travel when I go back to Uganda, because if I tell you the time it is right now, just look at the time, guys. So guys, this is my bed for a few days. This is the room. The mirror is right there. We have come to an end of this video. Thank you for joining me on this epic bus journey to Kenya. I'm so excited to share my adventures with you all over the next videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any action. See you in the next video. I love you all.